international acclaimed gospel singer Kirk Franklin has arrived in Jamaica for his Fun in the Sun performance. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I I and Empress Menendez. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's not the fall right over here of Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, Kirk Franklin has arrived in Jamaica ahead of the Fun in the Sun performance. As Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Babsy Grange chats with American gospel artist Kirk Franklin expected to perform at the Fun in the Sun on Saturday. Kingston, Jamaica, the international gospel artist Kirk Franklin has arrived. Yeah, the entertainer who's photographed with Ministry of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Babsy Grange, after he landed on the island on Friday night. Fun in the Sun is scheduled to take place on Saturday, April 20 at the National Arena. In addition, Franklin and events will also feature performance from his likes of TobyMac, Kevin Downswell, Jermaine Edwards, Carlene Davis, Petra Kaye, Prince San, and many other artists. His music theme is music as a mission. Speaking at the launch of the 2024 staging of the event at the AC Hotel Kingston in March, Grange shared that she is pleased with the growth of the Family Friends event and is excited to see its return. I'm happy to see the Fun in the Sun is back to bring a safe, enjoyable space where the entire family and the community, regardless of religion, background, and beliefs, can gather and be a part of the fulfilling day of entertainment, she stated at the time. The concert is expected to get underway at 10 a.m. today, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have not received your ticket and you want to go out and have some fun in the sun, me want you to go out and check out these singers, international singers, local artists that's going to be there. Yeah, National Arena, Kirk Franklin has spruced up the place with his crews of gospel warriors that's now making the rounds. And right now they are in Jamaica, and I know that a lot of people are full with glee at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV reporting live that international world acclaimed gospel singer Kirk Franklin has arrived in Jamaica ahead of the Fun in the Sun performance, where he will be performing along with multiple artists, both local and international. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen, if you're going to make it, or if you would like to have made it. If you like Kirk Franklin's music or you don't, leave your comment, positive or negative. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed as yet, subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get the content, ladies and gentlemen. More life, more joy, more happiness. You stay blessed.
Man, a deep roots, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here, fly. Yeah. Deep roots. Fire,